It's Tristine and welcome back to another travel vlog. Today we are here in a Santorini-inspired boutique hotel in Tagaytay. It's called Labella, Tagaytay, and it's really nice kasi parang siyang art gallery sa lobby, sa mga hallways. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour as well, and maglalakad-lakad din tayo kasi ang ganda ng property, maluwag siya, magandang mag-morning or night run. Welcome to the vlog. It's another travel vlog. If you haven't watched them yet, please do watch my Siargao and Coron vlog. So for today, it's a Tagaytay travel vlog. Let's go. But first, fit check. So this is the fit. Jacket is from Love Bonito. It's actually cropped. So it's a crop coat. Tapos nasasara siya dito pero pwede ding buksan. Of course, this very overused skirt from TikTok. My boots from H&M. Backstory lang, kaya nabuo tong outfit na to kasi nag-host ako ng party na ang team niya is K-pop Demon Hunter. And wala akong mahanap sa Shopee kasi puro puro pambata. From my closet, available na talaga to and ito. Tapos, ito, binili ko na lang. That time, naglagay pa ako ng mga gold blings here para mas mukhang K-pop Demon Hunter. And it's time for us to do this suite tour. Yes, I realize it's actually a 2-bedroom suite, so hindi pwedeng tawaging room tour. It's a 2-bedroom suite with 2 bathrooms, one in the master's bedroom and then one common bathroom, but very identical lang sila. We also have a balcony doon sa may master's. We have a mini kitchen, dining, and living area. So it's pretty big. It's good for barkada and family.
She's a deadhead sticker and a camo hat. She's a fill up a van and never look back. Tie-dye bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand at the window when surfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I'd give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, roll in and out like the river. She's free as a wind.
Hey guys, so it's time for us to have dinner. We are here sa Sweet Knot. Dito lang din siya sa compound ng Labella. And of course, I'm going to share with you what I ordered and grabe, magugulat kayo. Kasi yung total ng order ko is only 1,600 pesos. Niluluto pa kasi nila, but of course, papakita ko rin sa inyo. Meron silang mga all-day breakfast na silog-silog. So, pwede din kayo mag-breakfast dito. I think maganda yung view dito pag morning, dito sa terrace nila. And then, yan, I ordered seasoned pomelo salad. Of course, lagi kaming veggies because Isaac is a vegan. Seafood fried rice. Mahilig si Tala sa shrimp. Kare-kare bagnet. Chicken buffalo. But pinahiwalay ko yung sauce kasi si Tala yung kakain. So, para hindi spicy. Pansit Taal. Kakaibang twist ng palabok.
Smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring.
Hey guys, so we are going back to our room. And grabe, the lobby is such a vibe. Kasi para talaga siyang art gallery. Look.
So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child.
So we are about to check out. And andito ako ngayon sa my garden area. And it's really nice kasi sobrang lalush na ng mga plants. So I would think nasa 10 years na nila itong ginrow. Almost 11 o'clock pa lang. We'll have a brunch sa Appetit Café. It's one of the cafes here in Labella. Tala, let's show Thumper to the vlog. Bunny rabbit Thumper. We got this from Disney store. Si Thumper siya from The Lady and the Tramp. So we found this big open space here, malapit sa Budi. And medyo meron siyang platform sa harap. So I think gaganap sila dito ng mga events like fitness events, sound healing. Kasi parang may nakita ako mga ganun na advertisement sa elevator. So yun yung platform. Tapos it's a really big open space. Tapos katabi mo yung mga puno.